Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2016 Buick Encore. Premium, dark gray, nice chrome wheels, sunroof, privacy glass, chrome accents, backup camera with backup assist. We got keyless entry, remote start. Looks like it even got a little hitch. You know, you could put a bike rack or something back here. Good room back here. Those seats will fold and split. It's got a tonneau cover. You can take that out too if you need to. Floor mats, easy lift gate, front wheel drive, 4-cylinder. It's got a clean auto check, one owner. It's all set, ready to go. And it's got factory warranty left on it. Black and gray leather, nice and clean. Good room back here. You got a nice sleek dash line with wood trim throughout. AM, FM, CD, satellite radio, Bose system, navigation, backup camera, shows up right there. Automatic climate control, dual settings, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, auto shift. It's got the driver safety package. So you got lane alert and collision alert, cup holders, radio and cruise control on the steering wheel along with Bluetooth. Power windows, door locks, mirrors, power seat over here with memory, analog gauges, sunroof. Man, this thing's got it all. You know what it's missing though? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.